Ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, AAP National Convener Arvind Kejriwal has stated that Delhi government has OBC list consists of the Jat community, but the OBC list of the center does not consist the Jat community in the national capital. The Jat community students of Delhi do not get admission to Delhi University. Central government institutions do not offer reservation to the Jat community of Delhi. This is injustice for the Jat community living in the national capital. Let's now listen into it.
दिल्ली सरकार की ओबीसी लिस्ट में जाट समाज का नाम आता है। केंद्र सरकार की एक ओबीसी लिस्ट है। केंद्र सरकार की ओबीसी लिस्ट में दिल्ली का समाज नहीं आता। तो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में जब बच्चे एडमिशन लेने जाते हैं तो उसमें दिल्ली के जाट समाज को रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलता। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो दिल्ली के जाट समाज को रिजर्वेशन मिलता है। केंद्र सरकार के किसी भी कॉलेज में या यूनिवर्सिटी में जाते हैं या केंद्र सरकार की किसी भी संस्था जैसे दिल्ली पुलिस हो गई, डीडी हो गई, उसमें नौकरी लेने जाते हैं तो दिल्ली के जाट समाज को उसमें रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलता। बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि राजस्थान का जो जाट समाज है उनका नाम केंद्र की ओबीसी लिस्ट में है। तो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में जब एडमिशन लेने जाते हैं तो राजस्थान के जाट समाज को रिजर्वेशन मिलता है दिल्ली के कॉलेज में। दिल्ली के जाट समाज को दिल्ली के कॉलेज में रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलता।
My colleague Arzu Seth is joining me live on the broadcast. Arzu, now once again the bone of contention for the BJP versus AAP saga ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections has become the inclusion of the Jat community of Delhi into the centre's list of reservation under the OBC quota. What is this controversy in fact taking the shape right now? And the letter has also been issued by the Aam Aadmi Party convener to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, taking cognizance of the fact that the Jat community in Delhi is deprived of the rights of the OBC quota that the centre offers.
Well, yes, Simran, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party has been cheating the Jat community of Delhi by not adding them to the central government's OBC list despite multiple promises. And he also mentioned several promises being made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also the Home Minister Amit Shah. And he said that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Amit Shah and the BJP have done a big fraud. There is an OBC list of the Delhi government and the Jat committee is the part of it. So there is a OBC list of the Delhi government in which the Jat community is the part, but the central government has an OBC list, but Delhi's Jat community is not the part of it. This is the concern that the Arvind Kejriwal has raised, and also he said that so when the student go to take admission in any central government university or the central government bodies such as the DDA or Delhi Jat community does not get the reservation. So also this is the concern, and that's why the people also go, the student also go from here to another for the opportunity. So now there has been a war of words over the Jat community reservation in the central list, and also regarding this, the Arvind Kejriwal also wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the promises he has made and to also add the Jat community in the central government list of the OBC.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.